Hello, welcome to my channel. It's been a while, right? Okay, so you guys do know sometimes I do beauty products from time to time. So lately I have some like dark spots, you can see here. So and I have found this product, Tian Chlorella Beauty Series. So this is my first time. I have not seen what's inside. So let's do the unboxing. Hopefully the next video I'll do the review. This is the box. Isn't it nice packaging? Okay. So what's inside? What's inside in this? Open. Wow. It's like premium packaging. And you've got the beauty pamphlets. And this. So I will try one by one. Okay, so this is the box packaging. So it's like full set. Okay, you've got what's the first one? Foam cleanser. And then in this box you will also get facial treatment mask and CC cream. Oh, it's been a while since like pandemic I stopped putting on makeup, so it says nice. Like, see this CC cream, it's quite, I love the packaging though. And revitalizing cream, you guys see? Yep. And number one, there's 3 bottles here. So this is treatment essence. It's nice that they clearly labeled this, so it's like you know which is step 1, step 2, step 3. The serum. Okay, I like it. And finally is the facial lift emulsion. See? So I'm assuming because it's very clever packaging. It's like all green, so you know it's like it's chlorella base or plant base in the product. So I'm gonna give it a try, and next video will be review on them. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.